Thank you for watching Down the Road We Go. This is a special in the shop edition, and we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the 32-gallon Tote-Along four-wheeler holding tank. Now, we ordered this because we're going to be going out boondocking this summer up in Yellowstone, and we're going to be spending about 7 days with water and electricity, but no way to dump, no hookup. So there is a dump station in the park where we're going to stay. So we thought we'd get one of these. Now, I went ahead and ordered from Amazon a 32-gallon. Now, at the end of this video, down in the comments, we're going to have a link to the Amazon link for this. And you might think twice about the 32-gallon one. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Although this is a four-wheeler, so you don't have to pick it up. All you have to do is roll it around, fill it up, and then take it over to the dump station, or like we're going to do, one of our neighbors, and use his dump. So let's get to looking at it and putting it together, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, here we've got everything laid out that we're going to go ahead and put together. We're going to start out with the handle, and we're going to attach the handle to it, and then all the rest of the pieces and parts down here. Here's we'll kind of walk around. Here's front wheels, and we'll go ahead and attach those to the handle right there. So let's start. Okay, we got it all together, and we've ended up with a few parts left. This is to attach to the top where the float would go, so that you can wash it out when you're at the dump station, along with another little cap to go in that same outfit so that you can take the float out of there and it doesn't stick up and you bust it off when you're in transport. So, you know, just make sure you got gloves on and you clean it out real good before you take that float out of there. It also came with this little teeny piece of pipe. What good's that? I would just go ahead and get, you know, a regular 6-foot, take it along with you, put it in a bag or something and use that. This thing is pretty much worthless. It's too short, too stiff, and it'll probably break. It also came with a few ends to put on ours. I'll put those in the extra bin, so we got those lined up in case we ever need something like that. But I wouldn't even bother using that hose. So again, guys, this was a special issue of Down the Road We Go. This is an in the shop video. I hope you enjoyed it. So please subscribe and click the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified anytime we put out videos. Again, thanks again for watching, and have a good one.